Hey, Dustin.
Dad's here. Chad's here. Doing coffee. So here's how it works. Put desired cup under nozzle. Lower nozzle to desired height. Press on button. Realize that it's going to warm up and probably do a drain function, so we will have to immediately remove desired cup and replace with... Oh no, it doesn't have to do it. We're all good. So let's say you want espresso. It's this one here. Beans go in here. It's got a little shaker so the beans don't get stuck. This is for your regular coffee grounds, or your decaf or whatever. Actual ground up beans. So let's say we want to do espresso. 3 beans strength with a strength indicator on the side. Right there. So now it does what's called pre-infusion, and it wets the coffee beans first, and then it'll pause. Then it'll do the espresso shot. Little udders. See this for 1 second. Not sure if you can see it like separate or not, because it's my big head in the reflection. It's cool. It looks like a Guinness, eh? When it separates. Hard to see, actually. That's for Dad. He's the only one that can have espresso like that. Although he's only had 2 already. Yeah, so then it just does like usually an automatic rinse function when you shut it off. This is your steaming wand. This is for regular coffee. If you press it twice, it'll do 2 cups or 2 espresso. And then your different strength indicator thing. This little dude floats when there's lots of water in the tray, so you dump it. Here's your water. Here's your grounds. Little pucks. That's about it. See you.